If you've been convicted of driving while intoxicated, better known as a DWI, in the state of New Mexico, your driver's license will be temporarily suspended. However, in most cases, you can regain your legal driving privileges by installing an ignition interlock device, or IID for short. At LifeSafer, we serve as your trusted resource to guide you through this process from start to finish. If this is your first DWI conviction, your license will be revoked for up to 1 year. However, you may be eligible to apply for an ignition interlock license immediately after conviction. This restricted license allows you to drive as long as an IID is installed in your vehicle. You must maintain the device for the entire 1-year revocation period and comply with all state requirements during that time. A second DWI conviction brings stricter penalties. Your license may be revoked for 2 years. During this period, you are still eligible to apply for an ignition interlock license. However, the IID must remain installed in your vehicle for the full 2-year period. If you are convicted of a third DWI, the state of New Mexico will suspend your license for up to 3 years. If you apply for an ignition interlock license, you will be required to install a device in every vehicle you own or operate. These devices must remain installed in the vehicles for the full 3-year revocation period. No matter the offense, it's important to note that a judge may require additional interlock usage or other conditions beyond the minimums we're covering in this video. After installing your ignition interlock device, be sure to obtain all necessary documentation related to your ignition interlock installation, including a receipt or proof of installation. Scheduling regular maintenance to stay in compliance with your ignition interlock device requirements is critical. The ignition interlock device must be serviced every 60 days if your requirements were ordered by the New Mexico Motor Vehicle Department. If your IID requirements were ordered by Metro Court, you will be required to service your device every 30 days. Drivers who fail to have this service completed are subject to device lockout and additional penalties decided by the state of New Mexico. After completing all IID requirements, you will need to submit the appropriate documentation to both your IID provider and the New Mexico MVD. Once approved, your standard driver's license may be reinstated and the interlock device removed. At LifeSafer, we work closely with the New Mexico Motor Vehicle Department to ensure your ignition interlock compliance goes as smoothly as possible. Whether you choose LifeSafer or another provider, we're here to support you every step of the way, helping you get back on the road responsibly and safely.